Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable and use dual connection on your earbuds EDIFIER NeoDots. And right here we have a first device what connected with the headphones and have an application, and the second do not. So on your first device open EDIFIER Connect application. Of course you need to add these earbuds to the app. Then go to the settings at the right top, and at the fifth line we have multi-point connection, so tap at this line and make sure that it's enabled. If it's not, we need to tap at the slider one time. By default it's disabled. And then confirm. Now it should restart. So we need to check if we have connection, but I guess we have it, so it's a good one. Now, after that, you open the Bluetooth on your, the settings on your second device, and go to connected devices or Bluetooth. Then, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top, and these earbuds automatically enter to pairing mode, so tap on them at the device list and then click Pair. And now we just connect these earbuds with the second device. So on the first device we need to go to the settings and to the Bluetooth and tap on it. Interesting. Okay, let's remove it. Maybe we need to pair it again with it. So put these earbuds to your ears and then to the charging case and press and hold connectional button at the right side until the LED light starts blinking. Do we have it? Maybe again? Maybe I will close the charging case and open it. Yeah. Now let's pair it with the first device and click on them at the second device. And now, as you can see, finally we have these two devices what connected with these earbuds. And let's check the application. It works also, and we have this dual connection enabled. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!